BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Cordless Lithium Hand Vacuum. Ink blue is ideal for picking up dirt and debris in your everyday life. The lithium technology provides strong suction and extended run time. It has a washable bowl 26 Oz and a filter that allows for thorough cleaning between jobs. The translucent, bagless dirt bowl makes it easy to see dirt and easy to empty. This vac has a rotating nozzle for a comfortable hand position when accessing hard-to-reach areas, along with an extendable crevice tool that provides access to hard-to-reach areas and a flip-up brush that allows you to dust and vacuum upholstery. The cyclonic action helps to keep the filter clean and suction strong. 2.5 amp-hours. This vac has a lightweight and portable design which makes for convenient cleaning. A wall mount provides a versatile storage solution. It includes hand vac, jack plug charger, wall mount, extendable crevice tool, flip-up brush. Make quick work of small messes with the Dustbuster 12V Max cordless handheld vacuum. Features like the rotating nozzle, pull-out crevice tool, and flip-up brush allow you to clean a variety of surfaces in hard-to-reach spaces. The translucent dirt bowl is easy to empty and can be cleaned in the sink. Wall mount storage provides simple charging, too. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Rotating nozzle. Adjust to clean hard-to-reach places like the tops of shelves or under couches. Number 2. Dustbowl capacity 13 ounces. Lithium technology provides strong suction and extended runtime, 2.5 amp-hours. Number 3. Translucent, washable bowl and washable filter. Number 4. Crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas and flip-up brush for upholstery. Number 5. Cyclonic action helps keep the filter clean and suction strong. Number 6. Lightweight and portable design. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.